So if I were to go around and open up the Draw.io application, that is diagrams.net application, then we are greeted by this screen right here, and that is the start screen. So if I were to click on create a new diagram, then I can select a new diagram right here and click on create, or we can click on open existing diagram and open out existing diagram from over there. But if you directly want to get onto this editing screen, then you can simply disable out the start screen that you see as well if you're using the desktop version. So to do that, you need to go around onto the extras option and then disable the show start screen. And once you do that, what happens is that you can see it's disabled right here. And if we were to close this out and restart out the application, you briefly see this, but without giving you a choice to, let's say, open or open existing or create a new one. You can see it immediately creates out a new blank diagram, and from here onwards you can go around and work around and access out your previous diagrams and so forth. But if I were to go around and click on show start screen once more and close it and double click it, then what happens is that it opens out the diagram once more, and then you can see that the start screen is shown. And that is how you can go around and then show start screen and then enable and disable it inside of diagrams.net. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.